Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best drones of 2026 with 4K cameras, GPS features, long flight time, and lightweight designs, then this video is for you. Today, I'll be reviewing the top 5 best drones 2026, perfect for beginners, hobbyists, and casual aerial photographers. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Potensic Atom SE GPS Drone. Best value for beginners. The Potensic Atom SE is a compact GPS drone weighing under 249 grams, which means no registration hassle in many countries. It comes with a 4K EIS camera, powerful brushless motors, and an impressive 62 minutes of total flight time with dual batteries. This drone is designed especially for beginners who want stable flight and good video quality. GPS features like auto return home, follow mode, and 4-kilometer FPV transmission make flying safe and stress-free. Pros: under 249 grams lightweight design, up to 62 minutes flight time, stable GPS positioning, 4K camera with EIS, foldable and travel-friendly. Cons: no mechanical gimbal, not ideal for strong winds. A fantastic entry-level GPS drone with long battery life and solid performance for the price. Number 2. GPS drone with 5-inch screen controller. Best all-in-one package. This drone comes with a built-in 5-inch display on the controller, so you don't need a smartphone. It features a 4K EIS camera, AI tracking, and an incredible 70 minutes of flight time. The built-in screen is perfect for beginners who want a simple setup. AI features like Follow Me, Orbit Mode, and Auto Return make it great for content creators and casual users. Pros: controller with built-in screen, 70 minutes total flight time, AI tracking and Orbit Mode, under 249 grams lightweight design. Cons: video stabilization is electronic only. App features are limited. Perfect for users who want convenience, long flight time, and easy controls without using a phone. Number 3. GPS drone with 4.5-inch screen. Best for kids and beginners. This foldable GPS drone includes a 4.5-inch HD screen, 2 batteries for 45 minutes of flight, and smart flight modes like Circle Fly and Follow Me. It's easy to fly and very beginner-friendly, making it a great choice for kids, teens, or first-time drone users. GPS safety features ensure stable and safe flights. Pros: built-in HD screen controller, easy to fly for beginners, lightweight and foldable, good safety features. Cons: shorter flight time than competitors, camera quality is basic. A solid starter drone for beginners and younger users who want safe and simple flying. Number 4. Potensic Atom 2. Best overall drone 2026. The Potensic Atom 2 is a premium lightweight drone with a 3-axis gimbal, 4K video, 8K photos, and an incredible 10 kilometers transmission range. The Fly More combo offers up to 96 minutes of flight time. This drone delivers cinematic-level footage while staying under 249 grams. Features like AI tracking, vertical shooting, AI night shot, and quick shots make it perfect for YouTubers and creators. Pros: 3-axis mechanical gimbal, 10 kilometers long-range transmission, 96 minutes total flight time, excellent photo and video quality, under 249 grams. Cons: higher price, slight learning curve for beginners. The best drone of 2026 overall for serious creators who want professional features without heavy regulations. Number 5. Holystone HS-175D. Best budget GPS drone. The Holystone HS-175D is a budget-friendly GPS drone with a 4K camera, 46 minutes of flight time, and useful features like Waypoint Fly, Follow Me, and Auto Return Home. It offers reliable GPS performance and brushless motors at an affordable price. While the camera is basic, it's more than enough for casual use. Pros: affordable GPS drone, brushless motors, 46 minutes flight time, beginner-friendly controls. Cons: no mechanical gimbal stabilization, average video quality. An excellent budget GPS drone for beginners who want safety features without spending too much.
So that's it for today's video on the top 5 best drones of 2026. If this video helped you choose the right drone, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future reviews. All the product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.